So let's talk about Lamput because it's already in the news.
Right.
It's nominated.
Right.
So how Lamput happened and
So Lamput is like a byproduct of being jobless. मतलब हम जब कभी कभी कमर्शियल्स आते हैं तो मर मिट के बहुत दिनों मतलब काम करके डिलीवरी हो जाती है. And then sometimes before you start work on the next project, you have few days which you are free, like you're jobless, you don't have any project. तब हम सोचते हैं कि यार हमारी wish list क्या है, what kind of projects we would want to create. So in one such situation, I wanted to do something about shape morphing. Okay, like how about some 2D image as we do animation and all. So I wanted to do something with that. Then I thought, what if I take the Nickelodeon had this plat, which was orange in color, their logo. So I thought, what if that was a character? Because we used to do a lot of work with Nickelodeon. I thought उनके लोगो के साथ एक कैरेक्टर बनाऊंगा और एक कहानी लिखूंगा एंड वो मैं उनको पिच करूंगा एंड they'll be so happy, हमें पैसे मिलेंगे और हमें वो प्रोजेक्ट बनाने को मिलेगा. So वो सोच के because it is like a blob, I thought that I could use to morph. You know, what if that's a character? तो एक एक करके I created a pitch saying that this is a character. It was based on a lump of clay. जैसे lump of clay को आप कुछ भी मॉडल कर सकते हो, तो उस lump से उसका नाम लंपुट बना. तो वो लंपुट एक कैरेक्टर है जो भाग गया है और ये दो लोग उसको पकड़ने की कोशिश करते हैं और वो कभी नहीं पकड़ सकते. Why? Because he keeps morphing और उनको वो उल्लू बनाता है and he will think of some unique ways to escape every time. So that was a basic premise of the show, which earlier I had pitched to Nickelodeon. And they did not respond at all. कुछ इंटरेस्ट नहीं दिखाया उन्होंने, तो वो हमने कोल्ड स्टोरेज में रख दिया था. और एग्जैक्टली 2 years later जो एशिया पैसिफिक की कार्टून नेटवर्क की जो टीम थी, they reached out to us saying कि do you have any shows, we want to produce some new shows, do you have any IPs or any ideas? I said of course we have. ये देखो वहां से निकाल के ये देखो लंपुट है, ये है. And their team got damn excited. So I think again we are very very fortunate to also have clients who have trusted us and who have them getting excited. They've also gone ahead and commissioned work to us.